Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Jack. Today, I've got all the scoop you need on PotentStream before you decide to make a purchase. But, before I dive in, I've got some important pointers for you, so stick around till the end to avoid any regrets. First things first, be cautious about where you buy PotentStream from. Right now, it's exclusively available on the official website. To make it easier for you, I've dropped the official website link in the video description and the first comment below. You'll see me here in the corner giving you my take on PotentStream, sharing my experience, and helping you figure out if it's the real deal. So, let's talk PotentStream. It's a natural supplement designed to keep your prostate in tip-top shape as you age. Say goodbye to issues like frequent urination, weak urine stream, and leakage with this handy dropper. This mineral-free formula targets not just your prostate but also supports your kidneys and urinary tract. Packed with 9 special ingredients, it's your ticket to maintaining prostate health well into your golden years. For best results, the makers suggest a full dose every morning. Whether you take it straight up or mix it into your morning beverage, it blends like a charm. Just give it a good shake to ensure all the ingredients mix well. I can't stress enough the importance of buying from the official website. Not only do you unlock discounts, but you also guarantee authenticity and quality. Worried about FDA approval? While supplements aren't FDA regulated, rest assured that PotentStream is made in a U.S. facility following good manufacturing practices, ensuring top-notch safety and hygiene. And here's the cherry on top. PotentStream comes with a solid 60-day money-back guarantee. No reported side effects mean you can use it worry-free. So there you have it, folks. Consider yourself in the know about PotentStream.